Cardano's price is off to a bad start this week, along with most other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, the biggest cryptocurrency, is trading at $16,041, down 3.6% daily. Ethereum, ETH, which is second in size, is trading at $1,116. The FTX mess is still making the market crazy, which could make it harder for prices to go back up in the middle term. As investors lose faith in centralized exchanges, CEXs, decentralized exchanges, DEXs, are becoming a more popular topic of conversation. Raphael Haupt, founder and CEO of Toucan Protocol, thinks that the failure of FTX shows that people don't understand how important decentralized crypto governance is. Regulators can't handle everything independently, so governance needs to be built into the value chain through smart contracts. In response to what happened with FTX, Haupt said, using smart contracts and decentralizing protocol governance whenever possible builds safer and more transparent rails that make it possible to check the movement of every asset at any time. ADA is still the last line of defense for Cardano's price. The price of Cardano kept going down after it failed to break through resistance at 44 cents. Even though it was thought that the level around 32 cents would act as support, the price has already dropped to 30 cents, in line with the other crypto markets. Cardano's price needs to stay at 30 cents if it doesn't want to go down to 25 cents. Bulls should be careful and remember that the red bars on the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) chart are a sell signal. On the other hand, ADA might try again for 44 cents and higher in the coming weeks if it can stay above 30 cents for a few days. The cryptocurrency markets are not yet safe. That much is clear. CoinMarketCap says that in the last 24 hours, the amount of money traded has grown by 116% to more than $300 million. Investors are still on high alert because of what happened with FTX. Some are moving their cryptocurrency holdings into stable coins, like USDT, that are tied to the dollar. According to on-chain data by CryptoQuant, new records were set last week for the amount of money left on exchanges. About 81,712 BTC, or almost $1.3 billion, were taken out of Binance's wallet. Changpeng Zhao, CZ, the CEO of Binance, said that it is normal for withdrawals to go up a little bit when the market goes down. Investors will likely keep using decentralized crypto storage solutions to avoid the risks of centralized exchanges. Even though the price has dropped significantly, big holders are still interested in ADA. Santiment said on November 20 that there are now 2,398 addresses with 1M to 10M tokens, up from 2,374. Addresses with more than 10 million ADA, which are now at 477 and had a low of 469 in the past 30 days, also went up. This pattern shows that investors are still optimistic about Cardano's future, even though its price may drop temporarily. Cardano supply, Cardano distribution. Santiment's pre-sales for Cardano supply distribution are bringing in a lot of money immediately. ADA could take weeks or even months to reach $1 or more. Some investors are looking at cryptocurrency pre-sales to get their money back faster. Here are a few of the best things you can buy right now. The most interesting of these pre-sales is Dash2 Trade. This platform lets traders and investors come up with and try new ways to trade, which helps them make smart decisions about the market. Dash2 Trade gives you crypto signals based on data to help you get better at trading cryptocurrencies. D2T runs the whole -2 trade network. It is built on the Ethereum network. The token gives users access to the data, signals, and social trading tools they need to do well in the crypto market. Robot Era, Taro. Robot Era, Taro, also based on Ethereum, is a sandbox-style metaverse where people can play as robots and help build the virtual world. By the time its alpha version comes out in Q1 2023, users will be able to design their NFT-based properties, structures, and other in-game goods thanks to the ecosystem it supports. Now, one Taro costs 0.020 USDT. It can be bought with either USDT or ETH, but the price will go up to $0.025 when the second pre-sale phase begins soon. Calvaria, Ria. In the brand-new card game Calvaria, Ria, players collect and trade NFT-based cards, which they can also use to fight other players and win prizes. It's different from other blockchain-based games because players won't need to own any cryptocurrency to join. This could make it easier for casual gamers to play. Ria will have a big use case in its ecosystem because it will be used to stake and buy in-game items. The token's pre-sale is in its fourth stage, during which 40 Ria can be bought for 1 USDT. So far, a little more than $1.8 million has been raised. The price of Ria is $0.025 right now, but it will go up to 3 cents in the next phase of the pre-sale. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.